Hello, welcome to my house, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda from Mexico and I'm very happy to have all of you again here on my channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Well, what do you think? Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful necklace. I made it with a beautiful material that now it's available in my online store in Spain and it's so beautiful. I want you to see more closely. Look, there are a lot of colors, different colors. I made it in black because I think that you can wear it with anything. But there are so many colors. I invite you to visit the online store and you can see all the colors that we have. The birthday of one of my friends is going to be soon, so I have her present ready. I will give her this beautiful necklace. I'm sure she will love it. Look how it looks. You can wear it in so many different ways. Every time I wear this necklace, everybody asks me where I buy it, but when I told them that I made it, they don't believe me. It's so beautiful and so easy and fast. You are not going to believe me, but I made it in 10 minutes. If you sell and you crochet for sale, this is the perfect garment because you are going to sell it so fast because it's so beautiful and you are not going to spend so many time making this necklace. Also for a present, as I told you, I'm going to give her to a friend. It's perfect, and also for you. If you want to look beautiful, if you want to make something for you, this is perfect. I will give you the material list to start right away. Well, for this necklace we are going to need one cone of Torzal. Look, it looks like this. It's so beautiful. Here we're with one lighter, you should burn the end. And look, we are going to need one cone of Pepita. It's from our fantasy line. I have used this material to make another garments and it's so beautiful. This sequin is so soft and I'm sure you will love it. It looks beautiful when you crochet it. Well, we are going to need both materials and we are going to need one crochet hook of number 8 millimeters because our project has to be loose. Sometimes it is difficult to find this kind of materials, so if you want, you can order these materials online in my online store, and at the end I will share the address and the phone numbers when you can have more information. Okay, so let's start with one thread of Pepita and one thread of Torzal, and with our hook of number 8 millimeters we are going to chain 1, pull, and we are not going to count this one, okay? Well, we are going to continue making chains like this one, okay? It has to be loose because we want that the material look good. Well, we are going to continue until we finish the cone of Torzal. This one we are going to leave approximately 8 meters or like 300 inches, okay? Look, for example, here I'm already finishing this cone, and remember that I told you that you have to leave this material because we are going to use it. We are going to use it only one thread of this material, and I leave 8 meters. Remember that are like approximately 300 inches. And from here you are going to start to measure how many meters we have, okay? For example, I already measured it, and here I make a knot, and I'm going to continue crocheting until here. I'm going to continue making chains until here where is the knot. Well, here I arrived to the knot, and now I'm going to cut the sequin, okay? These lentejuelas that we call. Here with one scissor. Okay, and here we are going to continue just with one thread, the Torzal thread. make just one more chain and pull through just the sequin thread, okay? And here we are going to close, and we are just going to continue with the torzal. Here I'm going to make a knot to make sure that it won't undo, okay? Well, now I'm going to make another here. I'm going to join all these threads, and look, it has to be from your neck to your belly button because it has to be long, so you have to wear it, and you have to see that it arrives to your belly approximately. And from there we are going to roll up like this, look, and this will be the length of your necklace. If you want it longer, well, you are going to make it bigger, but if not, I suggest that this way and of this measure is good. And you are going to make the next circles smaller, and because it has to look like full of chains, okay? So you are going to make it smaller, the next circles, and it will look good. If you don't want it, you can make all the circles the same, but I suggest that you should make the circles, one circles more smaller than others. If you want, you can start with a small circle and then you make the next circles larger, and like this. Well, I'm going to continue like this until I finish. And at the end I place 5 smaller, 5 more larger, and 5 mediums. And at the end you have to have your thread here. Hold it strong, and now in one thread of torzal you are going to take the last chain here of the last circle that you made, and with one thread, so you are going to join the beginning and at the end of this long strip in one thread of torzal, and here you are going to chain one very tight and holding it strong. We are going to make single crochet here, okay? Look, like this. Remember, there are a lot of different colors. I use this one. I mix black torzal with black Pepita, but there are torzal white, Pepita gold, or Pepita silver, and a lot of combinations that you can make. So I invite you to visit the online store, and you can see there all the different colors and all the combinations that you can make. Well, so I'm going to continue until I finish the 8 meters that I left. Remember, I'm only making with one thread of torzal. If you want it, you can make it in this side, or you can make it bigger, a little bit wider. Well, I'm going to continue and see you when I finish. Well, here I'm finishing. Look how I'm making the single crochet together, and I'm doing it very tight and holding it strong, remember. I'm going to continue. Well, here I finished the threads and the 8 meters that I left, remember. Well, here I'm going to bind off, and I'm going to use a different hook to hide this thread. I'm going to pull it through all these threads like this. Very slowly and carefully we are going to hide this thread through all these stitches, okay? Like this, and at the end you are going to use a lighter to burn the end, and the thread won't undo, okay? And that's it, and now we finished. It's incredible that we finished this necklace in just 10 minutes. Look, you can use it this way, or in one side, or like this with this in the front. I'm going to show you how, but what do you think? Before I forget, I wanted to tell you that the material that is left of Pepita, look, because I finished all the cone of Torzal, but of Pepita it's going to be left, so I suggest that you buy 2 cones of Torzal and 1 cone of Pepita, and you can make 2 necklaces with this material, one for you and one for your friend. So what do you think? And it's perfect, right? Well, what do you think? I really enjoy making this video with all of you. Remember, if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave all your comments. Also follow me on my social media, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook. There I will share more pictures and some ideas that you may like. Remember that you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es and the warehouse in Spain if you are close to Europe or if you live in Madrid. The warehouse is in Madrid and we have all of these materials and many more that you can see. I'm sure that you won't regret and you are very welcome to go anytime. Thanks for watching and see you the next Wednesday. Bye! Also, I wanted to tell you that now my magazine is available in my online store and in the warehouse in Spain. Don't forget to ask for this magazine. It's the number 7 and it has a lot of summer garments that you may like. Bye!